Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Godfrey Mama. I'm a professional web designer with over 4 years of experience helping individuals and businesses build their stunning websites using WordPress. In today's video, we are going to dive into introduction of the website, to designing website using WordPress. Okay, we are going to talk about what it is, how it works, and how you can start building your own website from scratch using WordPress. Whether you are a beginner or just curious about knowing what is going to happen, how WordPress works, or you have been doing it but you are not a professional, this video is for you. Okay, this video is for you. So let's quickly head over and see what we are talking about. Okay, now, so what exactly is WordPress? Okay, so now WordPress is a free open source content management system. Okay, sometimes they call it a CMS. Okay, CMS stands for content management system. Okay, now over 40% of websites right now is using WordPress. Over 40%, both blog, companies, NGOs, schools, churches, they are using WordPress. Over 40% they are using WordPress. Okay, now there are two types of WordPress. There is WordPress.com and there is WordPress.org. Okay, now WordPress.com, you don't have much, you cannot edit much thing over there, but WordPress.org is what we are going to be using. Okay, so let's proceed and let's talk about WordPress and how you can get started with your domain, hosting, and all that. So now, for you to start designing a website through WordPress, you need a domain name, okay, and a hosting. Without a domain name and hosting, you cannot design using WordPress.org. What is a domain name? A domain name is a name that your website uses, just like Google. Google.com is a domain name. Okay, your website name.com is a domain name. Then what is hosting? Hosting is what holds the file of your website, so that when somebody searches your name, the person will see information. That is the hosting. Okay, so without domain you can't design. Without hosting, people cannot see what you designed. Okay, so now in this video I will tell you how to buy domain. Okay, just a brief explanation. There are many places you can buy domain, but I'm going to review like 3. Okay, there are many places you can get your domain. First one is namecheap.com. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a brief explanation, but I'm going to make an in-depth video on how you can get your own domain name fully. I'm going to make that video, but for now I want us to head over and start learning how to design, because you will need this domain name when you have known how to design. Then when your client calls you for design, you can now come and purchase. Because if you purchase your domain name I don't want you to waste money purchasing domain name to try. I'm going to show you a free domain name server where you can get a free domain name and free hosting and free and you install free WordPress to get started. So but this one I'm just going to give. So now let's take for instance, I want us to register a domain name. So let's say I want us to register Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom. then you click on search. So don't mind my microphone. If you're seeing any background noise, please, I'm sorry, my microphone had an issue. So but I want you to just focus on what I'm teaching you. Okay, just focus on what I'm teaching you and we are good to go. Now they say that animalkingdom.com is available at see the price. Okay, so if I put it to cart, I can now proceed to checkout and I can buy it. So when I buy it, I will now buy hosting and host this Animal Kingdom. Then I can now be able to design. Another place you can get a domain name is godaddy.com. Okay. Many of them, I used many of them, okay, but I'm just going to show you few so that you see how buying domain is. Okay, but I'm not going to go in depth, just like I said. Okay, so now this is a godaddy.com. You do the same thing. Okay, animalkingdom.com. Okay, we search. Okay, animalkingdom.com, then we search. Okay, we search for it. So godaddy.com can also give you a domain name. You can just also buy domain from godaddy.com. Okay, but I usually use Namecheap, Hostinger, and some other domain name servers. Okay, so now godaddy.com has now given us that animalkingdom.com is available at $99. So you always also check. Okay, this is it has been taken. Maybe I made a mistake there. Okay, you compare prices. They say animalkingdom.site can be purchased for 1 point something. So you check the prices here and there. You compare. That's why you check different domain name servers. So these are places you can get your domain. So once you click on the domain, then it will add to cart. You proceed to checkout, make payment, register in their platform, then you are good to go. Okay, another place you can buy domain is hostinger.com. Hostinger.com. So you can still do the same thing. Come over here, okay, at hostinger.com. Okay, then you type that animalkingdom.com. Okay, sorry, yes, we search for it. Okay, we search for it, animalkingdom.com. Okay, so sorry about network. So now they say that animalkingdom.com has been taken. Okay, the other place we made a mistake in Namecheap, so we misspelled something. Okay, I wrote Animal Kingdom, so we misspelled something. That is why it was available here. So here now at Hostinger, it is no more available. At GoDaddy is not available. So now, okay, so you can just buy now. If you want your site to be .io, .com, .net, .tech, you see them, you see their prices, you buy them. Okay, you buy them. That is the first step in designing a website. Okay, using WordPress. This is the first thing you are going to do. Okay, when you buy it, you can buy hosting. These people also, this Hostinger has hosting. You buy hosting there. Namecheap also have hosting. You buy hosting there. So, but I want you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification. Check the link in the description so you join my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group and WhatsApp channel, so that if I drop the detailed video where I will buy domain and hosting live, so that you will see how to purchase it, then please subscribe, join and follow my channels. Okay, my Telegram channel, my WhatsApp channel, and my WhatsApp group. Okay, when you turn the bell notification on, once I drop the video, you are going to be notified, so you can come here and watch it. Okay, please don't forget to share this video So if you have any observation, I want any observation, any question, I want you to drop it in the comment section. I will answer you. Okay, any question, any observation, okay, I will answer you. Please ask me question in the comment section so that other people will learn from your question. Okay, don't keep your question to yourself. Please ask me question in the comment section. Okay, I want this video to be an interactive session so that people will learn, and this video will be shown in front of people that will also like to learn. Please, I am begging you, I'm teaching you for free so that you will help me reach other people and grow this channel. So now, without wasting time, I want us to start by getting our free domain. As I promised you, I'm going to show you a free source where we can get free domain and free hosting and install our WordPress. So I'm going to show you where we can get a free domain and free hosting so we can get started and install our WordPress. Okay, so you just head over to Google. Okay, Google, or you just come to your search bar and type infinityfree.com. okay, you can see it here. Okay, you can so just type it, infinityfree.com. okay, you are going to see something like this. Are you seeing it? infinityfree.com. okay, so now you don't need to scroll down to know much thing. Once you come here, you are going to do what? Register. Okay, in my own case, I've already registered. I just want to show you how to register. I'm just going to give you a clue on how to register. But in my own case, I've registered. Okay, you're going to see a lot of ads over here because you are getting something for free. So now just click on register. If you have registered and you came back to this place, you click on login. So when you click on register, okay, when you click on register, it will show you another page. Okay, the reason why it brought me here is because I've already registered and I'm logged in. So what you are going to do is you register. When you click register, you're going to see a form for you are going to enter your email and password. They will now register you. Then you use that password to log in. Okay, you click on login. So then once you are successfully registered, this is the page you are going to see. Okay, this is exactly what you are going to see once you have successfully registered. Okay, my own came here because I have already logged in. Okay, so now once you see this page, remember what I said, infinityfree.com, you register, it will bring you here. Okay, now once you are here, you click on create account. This is an ad, okay, because it is free version. You create an account, then we are going to use the free version. They say, okay, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited hosted domain. Okay, so for this one, they are upselling their products, so you can use them if you want to. They are also domain name server systems, so you can actually use them to host your website and have your own personal domain. Okay, so but we are creating with free. Okay, just you click on that one. Okay, then we wait for the next thing. They say we are going to verify that we are not a robot. All these things you are seeing in the screen is ad. That is how they make money from free version users. Okay, so now I will click on verify as a human sources. Verified. Then they say that I should write the name of the subdomain. Okay, that is the name that I want my website to answer. Okay, so now this is a test course, and in this channel is for my company, Suntrobyte digital. So let's say I want us to just, let me say I want to register for Godfrey. Okay, Godfrey class. Okay, Godfrey online class. Okay, now Godfrey online class. Now in this scenario, you are not going to get your .com, .org, because you are using free. What you are doing is you are getting a subdomain under them. so that you can use it to host your WordPress and make some designs. Okay, so I'm just going to use this extension they gave me. You can change your own. You can change to greatsite.net. You can change to Infinity Free App, infinity.uk, infi.uk. Okay, you can use, okay, yeah, so any of them. Okay, let's use this infi.uk. Okay, now you now check for availability. If the name is available, yes, we are lucky, the name is available. You say that Godfrey online class.infi.uk is available. So the automatically generated name, the automatically generated password for me, then email consent, I approve. Okay, so now after this, you do what? You click on create account. Okay, you click on what? Create account. Okay, so we save this password. Okay, now they said it will take a while before the account will, so we wait for them to create the account. So are you getting me? So I want you people, if you are watching this video, I want you to follow along. As you are watching, you are practicing. Okay, I don't want you to finish watching, then you start looking for money to buy domain, you start looking for money to buy hosting before you practice what I'm telling you. No, as you are watching this video, you use this free resource and start. They said my new domain has been they said it will take 72 hours for your new domain to be accessible everywhere. Okay, so but what I want us to do is I want us to create a website. Okay, so now this is my website, so I can manage it here. Okay, this is my domain. So if you bought a domain from any other domain name server, you're going to see something similar like this. If you click on this manage domain, you're going to see where they will say change name server and so on and so forth. You can manage your domain. Okay, let's just click it. Okay, but if they didn't give me that option here, it's because this is a free domain. Okay, so now you see, now they didn't give me option to change my name server. Okay, you see DNS record, I can change DNS record. Okay, for those of you who don't know what is DNS record, I know, but ask me question in the comment, I'll put you through. But for now, that is not what we are going to talk about. Okay, so now what are you going to do? I want us to now go to something common with all the domain name server platform except hosting. You are going to see what is called cPanel. You might be hearing cPanel, 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 cPanel everywhere. Anybody you see designing website, you hear him saying cPanel, cPanel. This right now, I'm going to show you what is cPanel and how you are going to use cPanel. Okay, so now you click on this green button that says control panel. Okay, it will take you to this Infinity Free cPanel. Okay, each company has their own URL for their cPanel. Okay, so they are going to pop out this notice. Yes, just approve it. Okay, yes, approve it, thanks. The cPanel will now load. Okay, so each domain name server has the way their cPanel looks and the way they used to log into their cPanel. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so as you are entering the cPanel, okay, we are going to discover more things in this cPanel. Okay, because majorly all the cPanel, both the free version hosting and the premium version hosting, they have similar cPanel. The only thing is that there are some certain things you cannot do in another place and in the free version, and if you have a paid version, you can do such. Okay, so network is giving me each small issue. So if it wastes more time, I will pause the video so that it will load, then we continue from where we stopped. Okay, so sorry, I have to pause this video so that this page will load. Okay, it's okay. Wow, voila, the page has loaded. Okay, the page I have loaded. cPanel. Okay, this is what is called cPanel, control panel. So like I said, this is the C panel. Okay, now if you have watched to this place, congratulations, thank you for reaching this to this level. Okay, you are one step ahead to knowing everything about WordPress. So I want you to subscribe to this channel if you are not yet subscribed. I want you to like this video if you have not liked the video. I want you to share this video right away, please, and I want you to comment under this video. Please, if you don't watch this video to the end without commenting, without liking, and without subscribing, please. Okay, so now this is how cPanel look like. Okay, like I said, all of them have similar thing, both premium and free. Okay, when I'll buy the premium, when I'll do the video for the premium DNS domain name server purchase, domain name purchase, and hosting purchase, you're going to see it. Okay, the design are not the same, but they have similar thing. Like if you come to this cPanel now, you're going to see something like FTP account. Okay, this one is more technical, but if you are following this channel, you are going to discuss everything. You are going to see this is for database, PHP, MyAdmin, MySQL, remove MySQL. Okay, then you're going to see add-on domains. Okay, I will teach you add-on domains when we register for live for premium domain and hosting. Okay, so add-on domains, subdomains. Okay, so these things are the same way. Okay, then DNS record, account statistics, IP blocking, SSL. Okay, so but after where you are going to straight, once you are using this infinity free, once you are here, if you are here, go straight to Softaculous app installer. You click on it. That is where you are going to go. You are going to see Softaculous app installer. Go there and click on it. Okay, that is where we are going to install our WordPress and start designing our website. Okay, now once you come here, okay, there are other things, but other things here. Okay, forget about all those things, just come straight and click on install. You see WordPress, click on install. Now you are going to select, if you select HTTPS here, don't say okay, I don't know whether they will give me, but let's install it on the HTTP version of this website. When we go to the website, we are going to now correct the HTTP and put it to HTTPS. Okay, but let's just try things out. So site name, you put your site name. In my own case, I'm going to leave it as my blog. Okay, site description, you just put a little just tagline of your site description. So password, I will allow admin. Okay, username, I will use my username is going to be admin, but in your own case you are going to put something strong. So password, I would like them to generate a very strong password for me. Okay, I would like them to generate a very strong password for me. Okay, then I will do what? Just come straight and put what? Install. Click on install. Okay, now your WordPress website, WordPress has started installing. Yes. So it will take a few minutes and it will be done installing. Okay, so it will take a few minutes, then it will be done installing. So let's wait few more minutes. Okay, installing. So if you are having any difficulty at this level, drop it in the comment section. I will answer you, tell you what to do. Okay, If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now. Share this video with your friends. Click the link in the description to see the playlist, and join my Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, and WhatsApp group, so that you will be among the first people to receive my video when I drop new video. Okay, we are in 95% loading. 95% loading. Few more minutes, so I'm going to pause this video. Then once the installation is complete, then we'll continue with what we are going to do. So once you are done installing the WordPress, okay, sorry, I clicked on something and that installation phase disappeared. So but if you're in a situation whereby you encounter such disappearance, maybe your own is delaying to install, it reached to 100% and it's not loading again and stay there, what you're going to do is just come to this place, up this header. You're going to see all installation, click on it. Okay, in case you are finding it difficult, okay, you see it, click on it. Then you do what? You click on this particular WordPress logo. Okay, you are going to come to this page. Are you seeing it? You are going to do what? Come to this page. Okay, so if you are having difficulty, you saw what I did. Okay, you click on this particular all installation. It means that maybe it reached 100 and it's not showing another thing. It means that your WordPress has installed successfully, maybe network or something. So now once you reach here, okay, what you're going to do is you click on login, so that you go to the admin dashboard. That's what we call admin dashboard. Okay, so if you want to log into admin dashboard, it is your WordPress domain /wp-admin. Then you are going to enter the username. You remember, don't forget the username and password. If you forget the username and password, you can still reset it though, but if you don't have access to the cPanel, you can't reset it. Voila! Once you are done installing WordPress, this is what you are going to see. Welcome to WordPress. Once you see this thing, you are sure that you have successfully installed WordPress. Okay, this is how your own will look like once you have successfully installed WordPress. Are you seeing the domain here? My cursor is shaking. The domain I got freeonlineclass.infi.uk /WP admin, because I am the administrator. That is why I'm seeing this is the back end, the content management system we are talking about, the CMS we are talking about. Now inside this place, you are seeing something at this left menu, okay. This whole place is what controls whatever you are going to have in your website. Besides, let's check our website and see how it looks currently. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Okay, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it and remove the WP admin, so you can see how your website look currently. Okay, yeah, so you can see how your website, this is how your website looks currently. Okay, this is how it looks. Are you seeing it? So this is it. Your website is live. Okay, are you seeing it now? So now you go to your dashboard. Okay, now this place is your home. This is where we are. Anything happening in your website is going to display here if you want, the ones you want to see. Okay, now this is post. Maybe you want to write a blog post. You just click on here, and this is where you are going to write blog posts that will appear in your website. Okay, so let's just give a sample of the type of blog post we are going to write right now, so you can see how it works. Okay, but this doesn't, if you want to design a blog, this is not how you are going to go around designing blog. Okay, there are more professional way to design your blog to look more professional. So as you are subscribe to this channel, you will see those things. So but let's just give it. Okay, so now let's say I want to publish a post about okay, so you click on add post. Okay, click on add post. Okay, so you see I want to show you something right now. Okay, I want to show you something right now, so you see how you control what other people are seeing through your content back end. Okay, you control what other people are seeing through your back end. Okay, so I don't know, network is actually disturbing me. Please bear with me. I want you to exercise patience and watch, please. Okay, we are going to go through this network issue together. Okay, so I will pause the video, and once it loads I will show you what I did. So once you click on it, you are going to see something like this. So let's say I want to write something about how to design a website. This is going to be your title. Then this is where you are going to post everything. Okay, so writing blog posts. So if you need a video on how to do this, just comment drop it in the comment section. But when I will make video about how to design a blog, I will tell you how to publish a blog post, format the blog post for better SEO. Okay, so if you don't know what is SEO, drop it in the comments. I'll answer you in the comment, because if I answer everything right now, this video is going to be very, very long. So let's say I just random things. Okay, just random things. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so random things. Okay, now so I want to publish it right now. So first of all, I will click on this post block, then I will choose featured image. Okay, so featured image is going to be the image that is going to show when people that's going to display in front of other people in the blog session. So there is no image that came with this particular template. So you click on upload file, you click on select file, so that I will go to my gallery and get one image to put there. Okay, so this is my site logo. Okay, my own personal. So this is our logo. Suntrobyte Digital is the name of our company, and I am Godfrey Mama, the CEO of the company. So aspiring company. So now let's choose the Suntrobyte logo as the featured image. Okay, so it will load. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, it will load. Okay, so I don't know, the network is disturbing me today that I'm making this particular video, but I want you to bear with me. Just continue watching. We are going to be doing a lot of pausing and play in this particular session, so that we won't waste much time. So I'll pause this video, and once this image is done uploading, I'll play it again and we'll continue from where we stop. Okay, so once you are done, so you click on it, then you select set featured image. Okay, so now you publish the post. Now the post has been published, so you do what? You view post. Open the post in a new tab. Okay, so you view the post. I want to show you something. Okay, so you can see this is the post. Now this is the title. Okay, so it will load and you will see see that description. So this is the description, maybe all those things, maybe the detailed aspect of the blog is what you're going to see here. So it's still loading, so you see where the featured image will be. The featured image will be somewhere here. Okay, it's still loading. So this is how it is going to look like. Okay, the featured image will be here. Okay, so your post will be here. So now this is people can comment. Okay, so related more posts. Are you seeing it? So I will talk more about this. Okay, talk more about this. Okay, so it's still loading. So let's see how it looks once it's done loading. Let's see how it looks. Load fast, please. Okay, so this is just one of the designs. So there are many ways you can make it look more beautiful, more professional, you know. So this is how it looks. Okay, so the title you put, how to design a website, and the logo, the featured image, and the description of the details of the blog. So this is, I just wanted to show you this thing. So let's go back to the dashboard, and so we can continue explaining other things in the dashboard. Okay, because we have a lot to talk about in this place. So now this place, this is the post categories. This is post categories. Okay, so this is post tag. So when you posting, we talk about categories, how you can create your post categories. So I won't cover this particular post of stuff in this video. We are going to cover it in details when we will talk about how to create blog. Okay, now media, this is where those images I put before. Okay, library, this is where you're going to locate all of them, all the files, all the media you uploaded in this website, all the videos you uploaded in this server, you are going to see it in that media section. Okay, that is what you are going to see over there in the media section. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, it's still loading. It's still loading. So are you seeing the pictures I uploaded? These are the recent pictures that I uploaded, so that's why you are seeing it over there. So now pages are just like posts, but their own is different. Pages, like your home, if you come to website, we have different pages. Okay, so take for instance, if you go to Amazon website, that place if you put amazon.com, that place is their home page. If you now see a place they wrote services, if you click that place is another page. If you click about us in that place, it is another page. So each place you click on a website that takes you to another section of that website, it is taking you to pages of that website. So this is where you are going to be creating pages on this website. Okay, take for instance, you created the company website, you are going to have a home page. Okay, let me use my own company, my own website as an example. So this is my home page. Okay, this is my home page. Okay, you can see home, you can see about, you can see services, you can see contact us, you can see request quote. These are pages. Okay, by the way, if you want to design a website for your company, for your business, come to my website. The link to my website will be in the description. You click on this request quote, it will take you directly to my WhatsApp. You contact me on WhatsApp, you tell me the type of website you want, the features you need, I will tell you the price. Okay, note, if you are coming, my down payment is from 80% and above. So that's how I do my own thing. Okay, so or you can click on contact us over here and you still get to me through WhatsApp. Okay, so that's it. So that is these are pages, different pages. This home is here, this about will take you to another place, and this one will take you to another place. So that is different pages. Okay, so talk about it. So now comments, any comment on that your blog, you're going to see it over here. Appearance, this is where you see, this is theme, this is where you are going to see theme, how you control how your website appear. Okay, what are themes? Themes are what beautify your website, the beauty of your website, how the structure of your website first of all come with themes. Okay, so we'll add theme right away, but before, let me finish explaining this place. Okay, now plugin are the JavaScript of WordPress. Let me just put it that way. Okay, they are the tools that makes WordPress do what it is supposed to do. Okay, take for instance, you want to achieve something on WordPress. Okay, you want to achieve SEO, you are going to use a plugin. That plugin is designed to make sure that your website do perform that SEO perfectly. Okay, so we are still going to add plugins right away, so you see what we are talking about. Users, here you can control the users on this website. You can add somebody to manage your website as an admin. You can add people to be publishers, so that maybe you created a blog, maybe a news website. You add publishers over here so that they will be able to be publishing in your website. Okay, so this is where you are going to add them. Okay, so we are going to be going in details of these things in each of the video. We are going to create something related to it, because if I should explain everything here, this video is going to be very long, and I don't want it to be too long. Okay, tools, here you can import your website, export your website, back it up. Okay, import theme, export theme. Okay, erase personal data, and so on and so forth. Many tools, we are going to see it over here. The more you install plugin, the more these tools increases. Settings, here you can edit anything. Okay, if you go to general, you can change anything. Maybe you mistakenly, that place I wrote my blog as my title, website title, see it here, I can change it to my test blog. So if you made mistake during installation, you can change it over here. You can literally change anything in your website. Okay, this is general setting, the writing setting, the reading setting, discussion setting. This controls the comment, turning it off or turning it on, media and privacy policy, and so on and so forth. So this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so let's go and see what we talk about themes, and let's see. Okay, so now by default your WordPress is going to come with a little bit theme. So but let me just say, I want us to after this video we are going to start with designing e-commerce website. Reasons, because most of you that are watching this video may like to go into selling of your goods online. Okay, drop shipping. Okay, you might have friends that want to go into drop shipping, so you can take over and design their e-commerce for them. At least with e-commerce you can get faster people to design website for. Okay, that is why we are going to design e-commerce. So now let me just use any template, but majorly we use, if we want to design e-commerce for free, because if you come to this team, they have premium theme which are not free, they have free theme. But in this my YouTube channel, I will be showing you how you can design every website. Any website we are going to design here is going to use free theme, free plugins, everything free, and it is going to function even better than some of those premium themes. So you're going to see it. Okay, so I will use it, but let me just show you something. So you are going to add new theme. Come over here. It's going to show you themes. So I will show you something. You will see the framework. Okay, yes, so you see what I'm trying to tell you about theme designs. Okay, theme have been the major design of your website. You get? Yeah, so these are the this is the ones that are installed. Okay, so the rest we just let it load. Okay, I'll pause the video and it will load. So these are the most popular theme right now. Okay, Astra theme is one of the most popular. We are going to use it a lot. This one, Ocean WP, is also one of the posts. So let's just install this Astra. So anyone you like, you install it. Okay, after installation, you're going to see that the website framework will change. Okay, now it has been installed. Let's activate it. Okay, this is what you're going to do. So you can use any of the theme you are going to see here. Okay, you use any theme you want, but I want to use Astra. Okay, I usually use it, and Ocean WP. Now voila, Astra theme has been installed. Now let's go back to that my website and reload it, and you are going to see something else. Okay, you are going to see something else. The framework, there's going to be changes in the framework. Okay, there's also a way to import. There is also a way to import the file. So are you seeing that when I click on home page, do you see how the blog post look now? That is because I changed a theme, and the theme came here and changed the structure. Now let's go back and do some designs. Okay, now let's go to plugins. Now I will go to add new. Okay, I will have plugins already, so I'm going to delete these ones. Any plugin you see here, just delete it. Okay, delete it, delete this one too. Okay, those ones I will tell you what they do and in case you need it, but for now we don't need those two plugins. So what I'm going to do, add new plugin. So we are going to install Elementor plugin. So these are what we call plugins. These plugins do different things depending on the type of website you are going to create. Okay, but Elementor is the framework that will be used to design those websites. That is why you need Elementor. There is other development tools that is not Elementor, but Elementor is one of the most popular. So let's install Elementor. Okay, you search for Elementor. Okay, so if you, all these particular plugin have what they do. Okay, they have their work. Okay, if you are designing an e-commerce website, there are plugins for e-commerce website. If you are designing a business website, there are plugins for business website. If you want SEO for your blog, for your business, for your brand, there are plugins for it. If you want to design business school management system, there are plugins for that. If you want to design a membership blog, there are plugins for it. Okay, the plugin are the tools that will help you get the actual result that you want in any type of website. Okay, so let us install this Elementor. Okay, let us install this Elementor builder. Then we install it. Okay, after installation you do what? You activate. But I'll pause it so you will see the logo of this Elementor. So this is the Elementor. Okay, so this is the logo. This is Elementor. You activate it. Okay, so for this video we are only going to use Elementor for now. Okay, so when we start designing each website we want to design, we will now use plugin that will help us achieve what we want to do in each of these websites. Okay, now if you have watched this video to this point, I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that anytime I upload new video you will be among the people that will be notified to watch it first. Check with the description if you need a website for your business, company, you want to contact me. Check the link in the description. My contact is there. My website is also there. You can contact me through my website. You will see my WhatsApp number in the contact. Okay, so share this video please. If you have any difficulty, please comment. Okay, so now let's go and create something. So let's go to pages. Okay, let's go to pages. Okay, we have only sample page and privacy page, so let's add new page. Okay, so we are now learning how to create a page. Okay, so add new page. Okay, we add new page, we add new page, we add new page. Okay, okay, my network is still, I don't know what is actually happening today, but I know we'll get through this. Let me just pause this video. So once you come over here, okay, so let's create the home page. Home. So after creating it, you click on post here. Okay, then this place, the road template, you're going to change it to Elementor full width. I see, we saw what I did, Elementor full width. Then you do what? You publish. Okay, you publish. Then you open in a new tab if you want. Okay, the reason why we are opening in a new tab so that we can still use other places. Okay, open it in a new tab so that we can design, so that we can edit it and give it a good design using Elementor. Okay, so this is the page we just created, the home page we just created. So you now click on edit page. The reason why we came here is so that we can be able to be controlling the other part of the dashboard, okay, and also be controlling the Elementor session. If not, you can just click on edit with Elementor here right away, and it will start going, it will redirect us to Elementor. So let's go, so let's click. Now when we come to this general tool, we come to general, we come to reading section, sorry. Okay, we come to reading. Okay, I want to show you something there. Okay, we come to that reading section. So once you click on that, once you click on the reading section, you now select your home page to be a static page. Then you select home page to be that home you created. Okay, later we'll create a blog page. Now you save. Okay, you go to settings, go to readings, then you do this thing I did. Then once we come back to this, we now click on edit with Elementor. Okay, now the Elementor page will start loading. Okay, now this is where you now start designing the look of the website. Okay, the look of the website starts here. Okay, everything about the look of the website starts here. Elementor is loading. Elementor is loading. Okay, so as we are waiting for Elementor, if you want one-on-one Zoom or Google Meet live training, whereby I coach you with through live video, share my screen and you share your screen and show me your errors and take assignments. Okay, you message me. 1 week is 40,000 naira if you're from Nigeria. If you're not from Nigeria, 1 week is $40. 2 weeks is 60,000 naira is from, if you're from Nigeria. If you're not from Nigeria, it's $60. And 1 month one-on-one training using live Zoom and Google Meet is 80,000 naira if you're from Nigeria. And if you're not from Nigeria, it is $80. The prices can be subjected to changes Okay, so if you are interested, okay, just click on the link and message me, okay, on my WhatsApp. Okay, I will listen to you, and we talk prices, and we start give you the plans how we are going to be doing the videos, the live session. Okay, so if you're interested, you should message me. I'll be waiting for your messages. Then if you have a website, or your friend need a company website, a business website, that is what I do. My prices are not cheap, okay, but you should come and get professional. Okay, I'll tell you my prices, and remember my down payment is from 80% down payment, 70-80% down payment. That is my down payment. Okay, so Elementor is also wasting time. Like I said, today we are having a very okay. So this is the Elementor. So this is where we are going to start our designs. Okay, congratulations to us. We have successfully installed WordPress. We have successfully known how to get domain. We have successfully known how to get free domain to practice our skills, and we have successfully known some framework in WordPress, and right now we are going to start our first design using Elementor. Okay, so now we skip this. So now this is the toolbar of Elementor. This is where you drag and drop. Take for instance, we are going to start with Euro session, creating a very nice perfect Euro session. Click on it, click. Okay, what I need is one box for the Euro session. So what will I do? Then now I have to click. If you click on it, it is now going to show you the sections of this particular session, the tools of this particular session. Take for instance, anything you are seeing here, that you are seeing my cursor, okay, moving container. You saw container here. Anything you are seeing here is for this particular box that we created. So now you go to style. Okay, now I want us to add image background. So background, you see background here, you are going to add image. Okay, so instead of us going to, I will just use this my image. Okay, now this image we need to make it to stand out. So we are going to come over here. Okay, remove this, detach this. I will tell you what this thing is all about. Okay, bottom. Okay, we are giving the margin bottom. Okay, yes, give it the margin bottom. Okay, let's say I'm going to give it margin bottom of 350. Okay, margin top of 200. Okay, so are you seeing it? You saw what I did right now. This is for this container. Okay, so then let's assume I want to add text. I click on it and I drag heading, and I'll put it over here. Heading. Okay, text website. Okay, you can change the color. Come to style, click on this place, and you change the color to white. White. Okay, you can center align it and do a whole lot of things. So on this note, we are stopping here, and the next video we're going to talk about, we're going to create an e-commerce website. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, subscribe, turn the bell notification, like this video, ask question in the comment section, and share this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Okay, check the I will pin the link to the next video at the top or at the end of this video or in the comment. Check it. Have a nice day. Thank you.